Good morning, everybody. This is Mario from Central Virginia coming to you live on Apex Nationwide. I'm coming to you to explain to you why become an Apex driver. For that matter, why become an Apex rider? As an Apex driver, you're going to maximize your earnings by simply handing these people an option to connect with other dedicated drivers whenever they need one. How many times have you gotten a response from a customer, a passenger, and said, man, I would like to use you again? How can we do it? Well, we can go out there and print out cards with our phone numbers and hand it to them, but 90% of those people aren't going to call you. They don't want you to have their personal information, and they definitely don't want your personal information. And your card 90% of the time goes into the trash. Not all the time. You'll have those customers. But if that customer's coming to Virginia, they don't have my number. So what I'm doing is I'm sharing my clients with you, and you're sharing your clients with me, using the Apex driver app, the rider app. In that case, they're the riders. So why should they be a rider? A, the convenience of having a dedicated driver. B, when they need it, up to 30 days. Or right there on demand. And if you, driver, have a network of friends around there, network it. Get them to sign up. Right now, it's 6 months. 6 months for free to use the Apex mobile app. After that, it's $10 a month. I've been doing it for over a year, and I am killing it. I don't get 50, 60 requests a day. No. I get maybe one every other day, 2, 3, but it pays. A, you know where it's going. B, you know the customer. C, they know you. And D, you have a way to communicate with them. That's why you should be an Apex driver. Apex, 6 months free. Try it. It's a free trial. You have nothing to lose except a little bit of time to get it registered, fully subscribed, and come on board and be part of our team. Take care. This is Mario, Central Virginia. Apex Nationwide. It's all over the place. Try it. Take care. Bye.